In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot to send and manage your emails efficiently. Whether you're reaching out to a single contact or tracking ongoing conversations, HubSpot makes it incredibly easy to handle all your email communication in one place. First, let's begin by opening HubSpot and navigating to the Contacts section. This is where you'll find all your stored contact information, neatly organized and readily accessible. Once you've located the Contacts tab, select the specific contact you want to communicate with. This will open up that individual's contact record, displaying a detailed view of your past interactions and any relevant information. Now, to send an email to this contact, look for the Send Email button. Clicking this will open a Compose window, allowing you to draft an email directly within HubSpot. This feature is designed to make your email composing experience seamless and integrated, ensuring you have all necessary details at your fingertips. As you compose your email, consider enhancing it using personalization tokens and templates. Personalization tokens pull in specific information from your contact's profile, like their first name or company name, making your email feel tailored and personalized. On the other hand, templates can save you time by providing pre-written content that you can quickly customize to suit your needs. Making use of these features not only ensures efficiency, but also fosters a more personal connection with your contacts. Once you've crafted your message and added any desired personalization, go ahead and click Send. One of the highlights of using HubSpot for your email correspondence is the ability to track every interaction. After sending, you can monitor replies directly within the contact's timeline. This timeline is a powerful tool documenting email exchanges and ensuring you have a clear picture of your ongoing communication history. When a contact replies to your email, you have a couple of options for responding. You can either reply directly from the timeline itself, maintaining that seamless documentation of interactions, or you can use the Conversations inbox. The Conversations inbox is particularly useful if multiple team members need to access the thread, as it provides a centralized location for your team to collaborate and handle incoming emails with ease. Using HubSpot in this way allows you to manage your emails effectively, ensuring that all correspondence is neatly organized and easily accessible for efficient follow-ups and tracking. By keeping everything within HubSpot, you can maintain a streamlined workflow, saving time and improving communication with your contacts. So give it a try and see how these features can make your email management more streamlined and effective. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!